Friends, hello! In the last video, I showed the results of growing carrots in cardboard egg cartons, and in this video, I want to tell you how to know when the carrot is ready to be picked. It is fully matured. It's very simple to understand. You need to inspect the carrot plant and look for the following sign. Here, the carrot has green thick leaves growing, but a few leaves near the root have already turned yellow. This is the main sign that the carrot is ripe and needs to be harvested. And don't let all the tops of the carrots turn yellow, because that will be too late. The carrot will be very old, hard, and tasteless, and it may also crack. I picked the carrot on time. It is straight, firm, juicy, and tasty. So make sure to remember this rule. As soon as a few of the outer leaves on the carrot turn yellow, it needs to be picked. I will also show you how to prepare it, for storage and where to store it. When you have just picked the carrot, if it is dry and clean, we immediately remove the tops. This is very easy to do. Hold the carrot with one hand, firmly grasp the tops with the other hand, and break them off to the side. We place the carrots in boxes to allow them to air out. Do not leave the carrots in the sun, as they will quickly start to lose moisture and become soft. Then, once the entire harvest is collected and prepared for storage, all these boxes need to be taken down to the cellar, where it is always dark and cool, and if your carrots have already wilted, you can line these boxes with plastic, fill them with moist sand, and bury the carrots 2/3 of the way in. It will absorb the moisture and become firm again. This method can also be used by those whose cellar is not very cool. Fill with sand and store it in there. If you found the information in this video useful, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. I wish you a great day, and see you in the next video.